Hi, I'm Chef Emily. Let me tell you about how to tend to your garden mid-season. So we have some Romanesco here growing in our kitchen garden, and it is doing really well. We had a hailstorm the other day, which is inevitable where we are in Calgary here, but the foliage still looks really good and it's repaired itself quite nicely. It's a really good practice to be looking at either your cabbage or your broccoli or any kind of brassica type plant, the leaves, making sure that there's no pests. Sometimes you see this little beautiful white butterfly fluttering around your vegetable garden, and unfortunately that can be a moth, and it's not the best thing for your garden, especially your brassicas. The way to tell it's a moth is just checking its back wings when it lands onto a leaf. If it's got two black dots, then it is the moth. What it does is it will land onto the leaves, lay some eggs, and then sometimes you'll see a little caterpillar, which is a little lime green caterpillar, very, very small, and it is perfectly disguised, and it's going to eat little holes through your leaves. So you want to get rid of those. Wings. I always check the back of my leaves every day, and I want to make sure to remove them and discard them. Now, I don't like spraying my vegetables with pesticide or anything like that. We have a lot of other bugs and insects that kind of take care of themselves, so that's kind of my philosophy personally. I'd rather go and see my garden every day and just kind of take those little caterpillars off if I need to. Another quick thing that you want to do is just make sure that any leaves that are super damaged or yellowing, you want to cut at the base of that leaf, and just make sure that you're taking those off instead of letting that plant kind of get all that energy towards the leaf and try to repair it. So whether you have one tomato plant, some indoor herbs, you're part of your community garden, or you have a huge chef vegetable garden like we do here, there's always something to learn along the way. We are learning all the time. We are by no means horticulturalists, but it's such a pleasure to go out there and learn some tips and tricks along the way, and at different points in the season. So I hope you learned a few things today, and that you enjoy going out to your garden and maintaining it mid-season as I do.